Chapter 2, Lesson 2. This is over something called absolute value. Be sure that you're being quiet so we can get through these and everybody can understand, okay? In science, when you talk about distance, and let's say that we walk somewhere, okay, because a lot of times it's easier to think of when we're walking. If I walk forward out to the baseball field, did I go somewhere?
Yes.
If I walk backwards from the baseball field back to the school, did I still go somewhere?
Yes.
So do you agree that distance is always a positive number? Yeah? That's all that absolute value is. Absolute value is the distance. I should put a bullet there instead of a minus sign. It's the distance a number is from 0. So that's basically how many steps it is on the number line, okay? They give it to us in symbols, and I don't know if I've ever told you this before, but math is not so much like English and grammar. We like to use symbols. We like to do the shortcut, the texting way, I guess we could call it, okay? We like to use symbols instead of words, all right? And you'll find that out a lot next year in 7th grade. That's a big geometry year, and you figure out a lot of different stuff, a lot of different symbols, okay? But let's talk about the absolute value symbol first. They look like, and I'm just going to pick a number, okay? They look like this. Like just two sticks.
Those are really easy. That's what I was talking about.
Okay, zip it. So, when I talk about the absolute value of something, I know that we've done these on our warm-ups, which is good because then we don't have to spend a lot of time on this, right? Because Will already said, I know that this answer is 5. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yes. So, my next question is, what is the answer to that one?
23.
Why?
Negative.
Because it's always
Say again?
It never can.
Say
and
it.
it's from 0.
It's the distance from 0. Say it.
It can never be negative.
It can never be negative. Distance can never be negative. These little symbols right here are saying, okay, Christian, what is the distance from negative 23 to 0? That's exactly what it's telling you. It's just not using words. Okay? So you're supposed to always know that this answer is positive.
So this is a lot of homework going to be over.
I don't know. I mean, I'm still going. I'm still explaining what absolute value is. Just sit tight, guys. Sit tight. Okay? So, let's see.
Can you walk away?
What if I have a bank account and here is what I did. And I'm going to put just some stuff in here. Well, I'm just making small numbers. Shut up. I'm doing what you can do in your head. Hush. Mouth. What else is something we like to do? Movies. Go to the movies. That's high. It ain't a lie. Okay, so there's my bank. There's my bank account. And the question is going to say, I didn't mean to do the little dashy lines. That's just how it did.
You want me to say it?
No, not yet. Let everybody get a chance to write this down.
I'm making my notes rainbow. Is it actually possible to spend this $20 on it?
For our family of 4 last night, we went on Wacky Pack Wednesday. was only $14. $14.87.
When on my
It's a family of 4.
and me and Thomas went there, it cost like.
Yeah, but y'all are bigger kids. Y'all are bigger kids than mine.
What's that mean? We equal?
Yeah, you're bigger than my 2 children.
I have a family.
I take that.
Okay, guys, focus. So, how much is owed to the bank? Well, first I gotta see how much all this equals. How much does all that equal, Mel?
420. Wait, I mean, no. What? Yeah.
No, it equals 200 and something. 20.
420.
You said 420, and that's not right. Maybe 240.
240.
Because that's a.
Yeah.
I thought it was 30.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought starting was 200.
So 230. That's how much I've gone over. Okay, that's how much I've gone over. So, so how much do I owe the bank?
230.
Huh?
30.
I owe $30 because I already got 200 in there. So I only owe them this leftover of $30. Okay? So do you see where absolute value is going to come in handy? I owe $30. I don't owe negative 30. Do you agree? Yeah. I don't owe negative 30. When we talk about the distance of something, like let's say I'm 20, let's do that. I'm down here. Okay? Draw a smiley face because school is out. Okay, and I'm at negative 40 feet. Okay? I'm at negative 40 feet, so I'm in a submarine. Okay? Well, you know, there you go. Okay? And let's say, because here's the ocean, okay? And let's say that, shh, guys, hush, there's a bird in the sky. Okay? And his distance from sea level is, I don't know, we'll say 25 feet. So he's 25 feet up in the air. I don't know. Okay, so how far apart are me and that bird?
25 feet?
No.
No. 15 feet.
No.
What?
Well,
Negative 30.
Negative.
Nope.
35.
Nope.
38.
Okay.
15.
Nope. Look, guys, I gotta go from 40. I still gotta go up 40 feet.
65.
And then I gotta go up another 25.
Oh, yeah. 65.
So 65 feet. Do you see where it comes in handy to know your distance now?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah? See, you know your distance? Someday you may be down in the water without a submarine thing on your face, and you may be swimming like a shark. Okay? And you want to know how far that bird up is in the air. I don't know when that will come in handy, just that specifically, but there is going to be a time, guys, where you do want to know how far apart you are. Let's say you go skiing, okay, and you're on a mountain, and you need to know, you know, you're up 5,000 feet. There's your mountain. You're up here at 5,000 feet. Oh, I broke my leg. I need to get down to the ski hospital that's down here at like 1173. How far apart are we?
A lot.
Okay? You get a long way to fall, right?
Actually, no.
Oh, I hope it doesn't break my other one. Alright, so these are the same kind of problems. This is more like a 3rd grade problem. Because do you see how both of these numbers are positive?
Yeah.
Here, welcome to junior high. Now we have to add in negatives because now you know that we've dealt with lesson 1, that you can go below sea level, that you can go negative temperatures, right? Okay?
Yeah.
So, let me see if there's anything else. Oh, one more thing that's on your homework. Let me give you an example of these. What if I have this, and we're going to fill in an inequality symbol for which one is bigger?
6.
Let's wait. Let's let everybody get their shirt down, and we're going to go with an inequality symbol. Hold on. First, let's work it together. I know that it may be simple to you, but let's work it together. What's the absolute value of 5? 5. What's the absolute value of a negative 6?
6.
So which one's bigger?
6.
So even though we know that negative 6 is the smaller number, the absolute value is not. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So are you, it is. Good. I'm glad. But if I hadn't told you that, how long would you have spent trying to figure out what them bars meant, right? Okay. So, let's get you going.
It'll be about 40 years. About 2 hours.
Shh. Number 1 through 15. All of them.
Okay.
Most of these, actually, hold on. We're going to skip 12. Skip 12. Okay, and what we're going to do is you go ahead and start working. There's a lot of word problems.
Oh God. Oh.
Hold on.
Boo boo. This time I didn't.